Okay. Tatakbohin ko to 93 meters. Go, 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 go! Woo! Go, go! No, no, Charles! Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Lay, isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Choo Choo Charles. Ewan ko kung ano meron dito sa game na to, pero itatry natin. Ang alam ko, abulin tayo ng isang spider na train. Pero so, let's start na agad. Why not?
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising. No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big. So many friends, and even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen. And you can help
Ba't
an old
hindi
friend.
gumagalaw yung ano niya?
Yes,
Yung
meet
bibig
me
niya.
on the docks at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little monster hunt. Yes, sir. They call him Charles. Half train, half giga-spider from hell. We've been planning his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just a few people to meet and places to see. Simple errands, you know. Yes, sir. Welcome to Aranerum, the island where miners dig their own graves. Stay close.
Oh.
Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
What do you mean Charles is not the only one who fears?
There's a train
Ayun.
shed at the top of the hill.
Train shed.
One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast, so his old engine should be in there. If we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey.
Huh?
Stay close.
Stay close.
We don't want to be exposed for too long.
Hoy, hoy, hoy! Stay close! Ba't ang bilis mo naman tumakbo? Hoy, 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 Eugene! Ano ba to? Sasabihin mo yung stay close, tas ang bilis mo tumakbo? Wait, 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 wait! Wait, baka nandito si Charles. Asan ba yun? Mag-i-spawn ba yun? Runner si Eugene. Kahit matanda na, ang bilis tumakbo.
Ah, shucks, it's locked.
Locks? Locks? Lock?
Not to worry, we can still find a way in. There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside. Take this map, I just marked the location on it. See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
Map. Oh my god, ang ganda nung pag-ano ng map. Wow! Ang ganda! Oh my god. What is this? What? Ba't ang laki ng map? Ano to, GTA? Oh, wow, wow, wow. Ay, train station key. Asan na? Eugene!
Good on you! Looks like you found it. Open up that door and lead the way.
Oh, train. Wait, magte-train ba ako? Tapos?
She's an oldie but a goodie.
This one,
I'm going to inspect the train's exterior.
okay.
Why don't you take a peek inside? See what we got to work with.
Oh, what's inside that? Your epic train. Use it quickly, navigate the island, a weapon, and the shield against your respawn point if things go wrong. Ano to? Scraps? What do you mean, scraps? Oh. Look to aim. Whoa! 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 Paano ko aalis? Escape. Okay.
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact. That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island. but it sure looks fun to use.
Yeah, totoo,
We can
totoo,
light up
Eugene.
Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming. Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Let's go, let's go. So, eto. Ayun na, train, choo-choo, bug!
Baby! We're coming for you, Charles!
Saan ba si
Do
Charles?
you hear that? It's him! It's
Oh my-
him! Get to the
Oh
gun!
my god! Wait!
Bad enough! Careful! Don't let the gun overheat!
Oh my...
He's not taking it!
Eugene! What in the world just happened? Eugene? Eugene? Ay, gagi ka, Eugene!
This is
Sorry.
how things were supposed
Sorry.
to end.
Sorry.
I thought we could still fight like the old days. Yes, sir. Easy in, easy out. You'll need to do more than I don't have time to explain. Find the eggs.
Find the egg.
Find my son.
Find your son. Wala na. Sira ulo kasi sila eh. Ginulungan pa ng tren eh. Buhay sana to si Eugene kaso ginulungan ng tren eh. Punta tayo doon. Holy great. Wait, ano to? Stop! Nabalot dito. Kala ko may loot eh. I-switch ko pa to. So, papunta siyang left. Ah, okay. So, bababa ako dito. Alright. Gods.
You must be the archivist that Eugene told us about.
Yes?
We're happy you came to help us out of this predicament with Charles and the Landland War. You know, Venom training will need some major upgrades if you want to take down Charles. There are some metal scraps in my barn that you could use to improve us.
Oh, ayun yung craps.
Here's the key to the barn. It's just up the path, but I'll mark it on your map anyway.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you, Lods. So, bibigyan niya tayo ng something. Can I bunny hop? Oh. Bunny hop. Oh. Ito yung scraps. So, may tatlo pa. Mission complete. Now you have some resources. You can go back. Lods, thank you, Lods. Pwede na kita iwan. Okay pala yung optional mission eh. So, makakapag-upgrade ako. Speed, armor level, saka damage. Yan. Tapos ibalik ko na lang. Kasi dito ako papunta next eh. Wait. Wow! Loot! Woo! May loot ako. Continue tayo. At diretso tayo dito, I guess, sa part na to. Ayun! Hello po! Hi ate, may shotgun ka,
Eugene
Pyram.
told us we'd have a newcomer soon. I suppose that would be you.
Yes, it's
There's
me.
some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train.
Yun, namimigay sila ng
Here's
scrap.
the key. And although the balcony is right behind me, I'll just mark it on your map anyway. As a side note, talk to anyone around here, and they'll do whatever they can to help. Anyone not wearing a mask, that is.
No wearing a
Check out the
mask.
balcony and take whatever you can use. Good
Okay.
luck with everything.
Okay po. Wow! Ang daming scraps. 9 uli. Yes, 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 yes. Woo! Aray? Bawal. May health pala ako. Akala ko wala akong health. Tumalon ako sa balcony. Sorry. Muntik pa akong mamatay. Alright. Hello po! Uy, kalbo. Kalbo. Ikaw ba yung mission ko?
Look, kid, I know you're supposed to be some fancy-pants monster hunter, but you can't earn my respect without making yourself useful.
Wow, sungit mo ah.
One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest in the yard last night. After beating on it for a few hours, I didn't break anything but a sweat. I got some lock picks, but I don't know how to use them. Here, take them. If you can get that chest open, you'll earn my respect. And I might just give you some scraps to help improve your train.
Okay. Pumipiyok-piyok pa, pero sige. So, paano ko bubuksan yun? Ito banda, right? Ito. Dito. Ito na ba ako? Sa kabila pala. Dito, dito. Ito. Huh? Ah, yung bilog! Oh! Lods. Ang dali-dali lang pala buksan nun.
Well,
Ito na po.
fancy fingers here got the chest unlocked. That's an odd-looking piece of junk you found inside there. Bit of a letdown, to be frank. You earned my respect, so here's some scraps. Like a...
Yun. Paeng-epeng ng scrap. Asan na? Ilan binigay mo? Hindi ko alam ilan scrap binigay. Oy, may 41 scrap ako. Tapos, level 3, 5 scrap. Ano ba? Speed ba? Speed ba ang kailangan dito? Ano ko tong speed? You know what? Balance natin lahat. Ayan, level 5 lahat. Okay, next. Dito tayo. May loot dito. On. Hello po!
The monster hunter has arrived, I see. This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed.
Oh.
We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however. Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines. Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death. Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs. There's an egg in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine. I've marked the entrance on your map.
Ah, so, 3 egg hahanapin ko. Dali lang pala yung mission natin eh. Tapos ito weapon mission. Baka ma-upgrade ko yung weapon ko. Let's move on. Hi! Ay, gagi! Lumagpas na ako! Wait! Lumagpas ako. Taglit lang pala. Ganun yung itsura dun. Hoy, ba't nasusunog yan, Lods?
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see, it has slightly
Backfired.
backfired. Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang. I would love to save the shed, though. If a flamethrower somehow still works after the fire dies down, well, you can take it.
Oh, no.
I'd
okay.
assume you're the monster hunter that folks have been expecting, so a weapon like this could come in handy.
Okay, so... Paano ko ano ito? Oops. Ba't nga naman ako papasok doon? Tira ulo lang papasok doon. Nakalak to. Oh, something doon sa taas.
Use using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius. Woohoo!
Oh, buti pa siya sinasabihan ako ng genius. Isa akong malaking genius.
Here, take old bug spray. Cause of this chaos. I don't want to see it anywhere near here again. Shoot dang.
Nakakuha ko ng flamethrower. Oh. Oh. Oh! Kaso ang bilis niya mag-overheat. Ayan, saglit lang siya. Ayun. May tumutunog. Pigilan mo ako. Tumutunog. So, nandito yung isang egg. Magki-caving tayo. Caving. Scrap. Thank you sa scrap. Tao po. May tao po ba dito? Tao ba yung nakatira dito? Urgent letter to Mr. Warren. While mining to the furthest tunnel, we broke through a wall into a large cavern. There's something strange here, and we don't know what it is. We're requesting that Mr. Warren visit the southern mine site at his earliest convenience to give us further instruction. So, saan yung itlog dito? Pahingi pong itlog, pahingi pong itlog. Itlog po ba kayo? Itlog po. Uy, may chest. May loot. Ay. 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 Ayun. Green train? Oh, para sa train ko. Itlog po. Yo, ba't ganito bigla? Meron dito. Ito po. Saan po yung itlog dito? Kung matatanong po. Oh? Who's that? Oh my God ka! What is that? Ah! Hinahabol ako! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Alis na ako! Alis na! Alis na ako! Alis na ako! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye po!
You wish you never came here!
Hinahabol pa din ako! Oh no! Hindi na ako titigil sa likod ko! Saan ako pumunta? Saan ako naliligaw ako? Shit! No! 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 No, 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 Saan na yung train ko? Oh my God, alika dito. Barilan tayo. Sumunod ka pa sa akin, ha? Makulit ka. Oh, eto pa. Oh. Ha! Kala mo, ha? La. Okay, next na. Wait, may something pa dito. Hindi ko ba takbuhin na lang yun? Mamaya na yan. Tayo masyado. Ito na lang. Tayo. Wait ba ito? Charles? Hey,
I
ate.
need my pickles! I ate the last jar of pickles I had in my house, and there's only one jar of pickles left on the island! My secret jar of pickles! Locked away inside my pickle cave!
Baliw to Oo nga, baliw.
I would have got them hours ago, but I lost my pickle cave! Someone else on the island might have some locked pickles. I mean, lockpicks. And if you can bring me my special jar of pickles, I'll give you all the scrap metal I have as a reward.
O sige, kailangan ko din naman yung scraps mo. Ay, ang layo naman, Lods. Ganun kalayo. Ah! What the hell? Oh, hello! Oh, Lods! What the freak? So, paano ako pupunta dun sa cave kung si Charles? Run! Mabilisan lang na takbo. Bihab. Uy, wala si Charles. We're doing fine. Pickle jar. Alright. Ito na yung pickle nyo, madam. Ito na yung pickle mo, ate. Ate ko.
My pickles! I thank you so very much for bringing me my pickles! You are my pickle hero!
Pickle hero.
Here are some
What?
scraps as a reward for your valiant pickle questing.
Ilan na scrap yun? Don't tell me. Ilan na scrap lang yun, ha? Ito. Next.
My goodness, the others actually convinced someone to come help us. I'm so glad you came, but I simply cannot stay any longer. This island is too much for my nerves to handle. I brought all my belongings here so I can leave immediately when a boat arrives. Although now that I think about it, I did forget my journal at home. Could you bring it to me?
Mga tao dito sira ulo, no? Aalis, nakalimutan yung gamit, tas utos
It's
sa
a
akin.
dangerous journey for sure, but you might manage with that train of yours. I'll give you all the scrap metal I have. Just please, bring the journal next time you're here.
Sira ulo pala to eh. Tas ang layo pa. What? Dito muna siguro. Tapos isabay ko na din tong NPC na to. Sira ulo pala to eh. Utos-utusan mo ko. Layo-layo. Alright. Dito ako papunta sa may weapon. Unahin ko na muna yan. Wait, may loot pa dito. Loot. Unloading all supplies. Shop. Loot lang kailangan ko. Hindi ko kailangan magbasa. Alright, wala. Ayan. Ay, sa mag-edit. Mali. Doon. Palit. Nakakalimutan ko palitan yung mga to. Nakakainis siya. Ang struggle. Kailangan pa bumaba. Ay! Lord! Oh my God ka! What the hell? Ano lang ako eh. Papalit lang ng ano eh. Papalit lang ako. Okay, so eto. Yan. Alright. Diretso lang. Stop, 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 stop! So, pagka nahuli ako ni Charles na nasa labas, possible na mamatay ako agad. Weapon. Yo! What is that?
Paul asked me to design a new weapon to help you hunt Charles. And using my extensive demolitions experience, I made this rocket launcher.
Rocket launcher?
I've been wanting to see Warren's empire crumble for a long time. So building this puppy was a hell of an opportunity. Now that you're here, I need a few minutes to remove some safety features. While I'm working on that, why don't you bring that box of rocket ammunition back here from inside the bunker down the rail?
Alright, alright, alright. Gusto ko to ah. Uy, ang layo naman, Lods. Okay, tatakbahin ko na lang. Ganun kalayo. Lalalala. Nakakatakot din yung atmosphere ng game. Ah. Sarado. Find a way into a nearby bot. Huh? Ah? Anong papasukin to? Ito? Oh. Oh, now I know. Ilang kwentuhan lang kayo dyan. Pop, 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 pop. Boom! Nagulat pa ako. Yung mga bala. Ah! What? Nabaksakan ako ng rail? What? Ayun. Doon ako namatay kanina. Ang bala. Ito na po yung bala.
The launcher is in complete working order, so I'll let you take it from here.
Testing.
Oh, and after you're done, I have a few people to visit with it if you catch my drift.
Kalbo! Panot ka pala, hindi ka pala kalbo. Kuya, parang parehas tayo ng likod ah. Parang kaka-computer mo yan, kuya. Nakaganon ka na din, para kang hipon.
I'm sure Eugene told you all about me, so I need not introduce myself. Name's Greg, by the way.
Greg?
In case you haven't heard already, Warren, the mine boss, is keeping 3 monster eggs locked away. We're unsure why he wants to protect the eggs. If they hatch, they would surely turn into monstrous creatures like Charles. To prevent this, we need you to steal all 3 and use them to bait Charles so we can destroy him. One of the eggs is in the north mine. Here's the key to the entrance.
Okay. Malamig talaga dyan. Suot ako, pero una, ito po. Layo-layo ang lakbay ah. Bug spray book. Yo, unlimited ba to? Kaso na recoil ah. Alright, alright. May ano din di. Takbo, takbo, takbo. Kuya.
Say,
Ay,
you're
ate
that
ka
monster
pala.
hunter.
Sorry. I drink water.
I must know, do you have any experience with ghosts?
Wala naman masyado.
Someone or something has been pinning exactly 16 drawings to lampposts in the boulder field every night. I always collect and burn them, but as I was looking for them last night, I began hearing strange noises and seeing strange things. I only found half of them yesterday because of the commotion. Could you go find the last date and bring them to me?
Asan ba yun? Sige, tatakbayin ko na lang. Masipag ako eh. Taon. Hanap ako ng page. Tumutunog. What in the world? Wait. Train lang yung kalaban ko dito ah. Ano yun? Wait. Train lang kalaban ko dito ah. Ba't may ganon? Hanap ko nga hanapin yung pages. Page. Ano ba kalaki? Ay! Oh my god. Kumuha lang akong pages. Mabili. Nahuli ba ako? Oo nga, nag-teleport ako palabas. Takbo lang, hanap ng mga page. Wala na, nakuha ako. Yung mga pages nandito sa mga ilaw. Dalawa pa. Sige na. Two more. Okay, one more. Oh, wag mo na ako i-teleport. Isa na lang. Teleport, please. Oh my god. Ayun. Ito, hindi kasama to. God. Yun na nga. Ayun. Tupak. Okay. Ito na po.
Thanks for giving me those papers. Here are some scraps for your help.
Itong moto. Mag-outro na ba ako for episode 1? Parang ang haba na ng 1 hour. Ang haba na ng 1 hour para sa isang edit. Wait, asan ba yung outro ko? Gumawa ko ng outro eh. Pati ba naman outro? Nakalimutan ko. Tas ginawa ko. Tas si Charles andito. Oh, wait. Tropa tayo. Mag-outro na ako, Charles. Charles! Alisan mo na ako! Mag-outro ko! Oh my god ka! Oh my god! Hindi mo ako makakain dito! Pangit mo! Go away! Mag-outroin mo na ako! Oh, ano to? Oh! Ano lalabas? Oo. Nasaan ba yung train ko? Kailangan ko ng something ng 93 meters. Okay. Tatakbohin ko to 93 meters. Go! Woo! Go! No, Charles! Shit! Hindi, kala ko kaya ko siya takbuhan. Well, sakto. Okay. Bumalik tayo sa train. So, tatapusin na muna natin ang episode for tonight. Sub ka na sa akin para ma-notify ka sa mga next videos ko. Like mo na din kung nagustuhan mo yung videos ko. Sana makita ko pa kayo uli sa next video ko. Yun lang, paalam!
Mag-isa lang ako